What are the steps to take to ensure proper ventilation for my vegetable plants? Proper ventilation is crucial for the health and growth of vegetable plants. Here are 5 steps you can take to ensure good ventilation for your vegetable garden. Spacing. Follow the recommended spacing guidelines provided on seed packets or plant labels. This information is crucial for allowing each plant to receive an adequate amount of sunlight and airflow. Proper spacing helps prevent overcrowding, reducing the risk of fungal diseases by allowing moisture to evaporate more efficiently. Consider the mature size of the plants when spacing them. While they may look small initially, overcrowding can occur as they grow. Pruning and thinning. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of disease or pest infestation. Promptly remove affected leaves or plants to prevent the spread of issues. Thin out excess foliage to improve light penetration and air circulation. This is particularly important for plants like tomatoes and peppers, where removing some of the lower leaves can enhance airflow around the plant. Prune branches that are growing too closely together or crossing each other, as this can create pockets of stagnant air. 3. Selective plant placement. Plan the layout of your garden to take advantage of prevailing winds. Consider planting taller crops on the windward side, allowing the breeze to flow through and reach shorter plants. Avoid planting in low-lying areas where cold air may settle, potentially causing frost damage. Rotate crops annually to disrupt the buildup of soil-borne diseases and pests. 4. Raised beds. Ensure your raised beds have adequate drainage by using a well-balanced soil mix that includes organic matter. Raised beds provide better aeration for plant roots and reduce the risk of soil compaction, which can impede airflow. Consider the height of your raised beds. They should be elevated enough to promote drainage, but not so high that they create a barrier to wind. 5. Use of supports. Install stakes, cages, or trellises for plants that tend to sprawl or climb, such as tomatoes, cucumbers, or beans. Elevating vines and sprawling plants helps minimize contact with the soil, reducing the likelihood of diseases. Properly secure plants to their supports to prevent damage from wind and ensure stability. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.